These are the 5 mistakes that you have to avoid if you want to become a successful trader, and this is coming after 7 years of trading experience. I'm not really yapping here. I have faced all of it. So in this video, you will get to know everything that you need to avoid if you want to become a successful trader. So my name is Samir. I'm trading from past 7 years and it has been a very rocky journey for me. Trust me, I have done it all. After securing more than $150,000 in payout, I am making this video. So I am not that guy who just started his content creation journey and I'm just giving you advice. I'm not that kind of guy. So here I'm gonna give you pure knowledge that can change your life if you follow these things accurately. So let's not waste any of your time. Let's start the video. I know I'm making this video in English. Forgive me guys, I can make this video in Hindi also, but I decided that let's make this in English. So let's start the video. Mistake number 1. People are trying to achieve it so fast. People are rushing the process, so they are making more mistakes. So if you set your expectations in a right way, I think you will make less mistakes. You will go slow. You will let the time take care of everything, because with time you get experience, you learn from your mistakes, but only if you take the things slow. But if you are doing things fast, you're going to burn your account more quickly and you will get far from your success because you are rushing the process. So set your expectations in a right way and take the things slowly. Don't try to rush everything. I'm here, it took me like 7 years. For you, maybe it can take 1 or 2 years. I was rushing the process. I was not taking the right steps. I was following the wrong people. Here is also the point. Following the wrong people can delay your success because they are showing you the results and you are falling for that. Some people don't even have the real results, to be honest, in this space, because many people are fake. So I will end this first point here, which is set your expectations in a right way. Take the things slowly. That's the right way to do trading, I think. So to prove my first point, that taking the things slowly and letting the time take care of it, you can see here, I'm doing a full stack here and I didn't reach here the first day. It has been like 5 to 7 years that I'm doing this workout. So it took me 5 to 7 years to do a full rack. I don't think so a newbie can do it. Maybe ego lifting can take him or her there, but to do the things properly, it will always take the time. So that was the cute little analogy I gave you guys to prove my first point, that taking the things slowly, setting the right expectation is gonna take you far than rushing the process. Second mistake which a lot of people are doing is following everyone on social media. This is not giving you any result. This is just distracting you from your goal. Your path is different and his or her path is different. Maybe he's a full-time content creator, or you don't know the backstory behind that particular guy. What is his path, or if he's a girl, what is her path? So first of all, you need to unfollow everyone so that you can focus on your journey, your strategy, your trading. Nobody's gonna help you. So I will suggest maybe you can keep 1 or 2 creator in your following list. You learn the strategy, you learn what they are trying to do psychology wise, strategy wise, and once you learn few things, just unfollow them also. Now you are on your own. Your path is your path. You cannot focus on other things. It is just, as I mentioned, is creating the distraction in your trading in your life. So this is very important. Unfollow everyone right now. Focus on one strategy and perfect it. I think this is very important point that I'm sharing here. If you're watching till here, second point, as I mentioned, unfollow everyone right now. You can unfollow me also, because I don't want you to focus on my life or my channel. I want you to focus on your journey, your life, your trading. Nobody is gonna help you out. You can only help yourself. So let's move to the third point now. I'm just gonna leave this place now. I thought this could have been a good place to share second point. Now let's move to the third point. The third mistake a lot of people are doing, you are not sticking to the plan. I know there are emotions coming in the way and you feel some psychological barriers, but you can avoid these things by just sticking to your plan. Whatever plan you have made for yourself, if you are not sticking to that plan, then what is the point of trading, or what is the point of doing this particular thing? So if you want to do trading, you have to follow the plan. That is the only way you can succeed in trading. So please guys, whatever plan that you have for yourself, make sure you're following that plan, and please don't break that. If you're if in your plan you are allowed to take one session, one pair, one trade, you have to just follow that. That is the thing that is gonna give you result in a long run, because I don't see any other thing which can provide you results. The probability factor will catch you if you just let the probability take care of you. So please guys, stick to your plan. Don't break the plan. Emotions, psychological issues, they are always gonna come no matter where you are in your journey as a trader. So only sticking to your plan, staying disciplined, staying true to yourself can do something for you in this particular space. Now the fourth point that I want to cover is fear. Like, you are fearing from everything. What if that happened? What if that happened? What if trading doesn't work out? What if this setup doesn't work out? What if I'm in a loss? What if this trade turned out to be in a loser? So if you are having this perspective, or if you are so tied to the fear, I don't think so you are going to get anywhere in trading or in life. I think you have to have confidence in yourself. You have to keep the fear aside. You have to let the universe take care of you. You just take the right steps. Why you are fearful? So please guys, don't be feared to these markets. What are these? These are just the markets, man. Just candles moving up and down. You are fearing that particular thing which doesn't even have the emotions. You are having the emotions. So market doesn't care about you. If you are fearing from the candles, if you are fearing from execution, if you are fearing from having a loss, or having, if this thing doesn't work out, how this thing will work out. So have a fearless kind of personality, have a confident kind of personality. I think this field is for those kind of people who are confident, those who are fearless, because entrepreneurship, these type of things, you don't know anything about tomorrow, what tomorrow can provide you or what tomorrow holds for you. You can lose everything in a day. You can make a big win in a day. That's the part of you have chosen this path, this entrepreneurship, whatever the pronunciation is. But as a trader, as we are on this unpredictable field, or we don't know the outcome, what kind of outcome we're gonna get, so we can't really do anything. The only thing we can do is have confidence in ourselves, stay confident, stay true to the God, and just do good thing to the universe. Just do good thing in your trading. Just follow the plan, as I mentioned in the point number 3. So I think this is very important thing, guys. Be fearless. Don't be feared, to these candles. What they can do? They can either go up or down. Okay, they can either hit the take profit, or they can either hit the stop loss. So why you are fearing? So accept the outcome. I think that is the thing that you can do if you want to be fearless. You might be asking me, how can I be fearless now? You are saying that you are so feared. You're having so much fear from the market. So I think the way you can become fearless from the market is having confidence in your plan. That, okay, whatever the market is gonna do, I know this is gonna work out in my favor over the longer period of time. So this is the advice I will give to you as a point number 4. So let's move to the point number 5 now. So the last mistake which a lot of people are doing is strategy hopping. You don't even know how this thing is destroying you. I mean, put it that way. You are running from a loss. Why you are hopping the strategy? If you decode this thing, you will find out once you have a certain amount of loss or a losing streak, you try to change the strategy. You are avoiding the thing which is a fundamental of trading, which is you have to accept the loss. So unless you are accepting the loss, I think you will continue to hop the strategy, and you will never ever find the success in trading, because you are escaping from the core fundamental of trading, which is having one strategy and trying to perfect that thing, and maybe modifying things here and there. But after a few loss, you are hopping the strategy, and you are never getting in the root of that particular strategy, like how to optimize a strategy so that the strategy can give you the results. So if you want to achieve results, please stick to one strategy, because if you stayed with one strategy for a longer period of time, you will get to know about the characteristic of the strategy. For an example, you will get to know about the A+ setup. I think if you are hopping the strategy here and there, you will never ever reach that stage where you are confident enough and you know that this is my A+ setup, because you have changed so many strategies. You are never getting to that point. So I think it is very important for you to realize what is your A+ setup. And if you're hopping the strategies here and there, you will never get to that point where you can confidently say that yes, this is my A plus setup. This is where my confidence is in terms of trading. So guys, don't hop the strategy. Please stick with one strategy, because I think that is the only thing that is gonna give you result. I think that is it, guys. These 5 mistakes you have to avoid at every cost if you want to succeed in trading. And guys, at last, I am really sorry if anybody is getting offended, like me making this particular video in English. Please guys, don't mock me in the comments like you are making this in English here and there. So I apologize to you guys in advance. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope you got the value from this video. And if you found out some kind of value in this particular video, make sure you are liking this video. And if you found enough value, please give me a subscribe, because we are very close to hitting the 10,000 subscribers. If we trigger the 10,000 subscribers in a month, or not 2 in a month, basically, I will host a big giveaway for you guys. So please guys, help me reaching the 10k mark. And at last, I will say I apologize to everyone if you are offended by if you're offended that I'm making this video in English. So that's it, guys. Why I'm saying this, because I got many comments that you are making videos in English. So that's why I'm apologizing to you prior to this video. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. You are taking out time to watch this video. It really means a world to me. And once again guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.